Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Let's continue our number series. Stick with me. By the end, you'll definitely be able to say any number in Chinese with ease. So far, we've learned all the single-digit numbers in Chinese. 一、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九. Next, we're going to learn how to express two-digit, three-digit, and even larger numbers in Chinese. Today, we'll focus on two-digit numbers, such as 15, 24, 56, and 99. Before we get started, let's first learn one crucial character, 十. Before Chinese characters were invented, ancient people used knots tied on ropes to count. Later, in oracle bone script, a certain symbol represented the decimal system. Doesn't it look just like a knot tied in the middle of a rope? Over time, this symbol evolved into the modern Chinese character 十, which means 10. The character 十 not only stands for the number 10, but also serves as the basic unit for the tens place in higher numbers. Now let's practice reading it.
十十
In English, the numbers 11 to 19 are special. Each one has its own unique name: 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. After that, we have separate words for the multiples of 10: 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. To form any other two-digit number, we just combine a tens word with a ones digit. It's pretty straightforward, right? Well, in Chinese, it's even simpler. Once you've learned the 9 Chinese numerals, 一、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九, just combine them with the word 十, and you can instantly form any two-digit number. For multiples of 10, you just put the digit 1 through 9 in front of 十. 10 is 一十, 20 is 二十, 30 is 三十, 40 is 四十, 50 is 五十, 60 is 六十, 70 is 七十, 80 is 八十, 90 is 九十. And for other two-digit numbers, it's super easy. You just say the tens part first, then the ones part. For example, 23 equals 20 plus 3. We say 二十三. Let's try a few. 26. We say 二十六. 35. We say 三十五. 88. We say 八十八. 99. We say 九十九. Have you got it? The character 十 is a single component character made up of just 2 strokes, one horizontal and one vertical. When writing it, remember the stroke order. First, the horizontal stroke, then the vertical one. Super simple, right? By the way, the character 十 also means complete or perfect. The word 十分 literally means 10 parts out of 10, but we usually used it to mean very or extremely. For example, 十分美丽 means extremely beautiful. 十分满意 means very satisfied. 十分高兴 means really happy. 十分可爱 means super cute. You can put 十分 in front of many adjectives, and it suddenly sounds much stronger. Here's a beautiful idiom, 十全十美. That literally means 10 parts complete, 10 parts beautiful, and it describes something that is perfect in every possible way, absolutely flawless, with no shortcomings at all. In real life, 十全十美 is almost impossible to achieve. It's more of a beautiful ideal or wish. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More Chinese character stories are coming soon.